Ladies and gentlemen, if you are in your 20s, this video is for you. Today, I'm giving you the 3 key insights from the 10 books that will actually make you rich in your 20s. Most people only learn these lessons after they've wasted years. Book number 1, Millionaire Fastlane. Number 1, most people fail because they're on the wrong financial road. Most people follow the slow lane, trade time for money, and hope compound interest saves them at 65. The fast lane flips the equation by building something that scales without your time. You don't need more effort, you need a different system. Number 2, your wealth can't grow faster than you do. Your business is just a reflection of your skills, mindset, and habits. When you level up the driver, your income naturally levels up with you. Wealth is a personal upgrade before it's a financial upgrade. Number 3, real wealth comes from creating value that can reach thousands or millions. Fastlane businesses follow 5 rules: solve a real need, are hard to copy, give you control, can scale, and don't depend on your time. When your system works even when you're asleep, money compounds exponentially. Book number 2, The Almanack of Naval Ravikant. Number 1, wealth comes from leverage. You get rich by building things that work while you sleep, such as software, videos, businesses, and money. Leverage multiplies your output without multiplying your inputs, aka hours. Wealth isn't luck, it's leverage applied at scale. If you rely on time alone, you lose by default. Number 2, specific knowledge makes you impossible to replace. This is the rare skill set built from your curiosity, obsessions, and actions, not school. Because nobody else can copy it, the market must pay you uniquely well. Your edge is being you at scale. Number 3, thinking is a superpower. Most people react emotionally and copy the crowd, but Naval thinks from first principles. When you strip away noise, assumptions, and status games, good judgment compounds like money and becomes the source of massive returns. Book number 3, The Psychology of Money. Number 1, you don't get wealthy with intelligence, you get wealthy with behavior. Ego, impatience, and insecurity destroy more wealth than bad investments. Boring consistency beats emotional brilliance. The wealth game is psychological, not mathematical. Number 2, money problems often come from wanting too much. Most people overspend because they chase approval, not happiness. Financial freedom starts with emotional freedom. Number 3, plan for things to go wrong. The future is uncertain, so your strategy must survive bad luck, not perfect conditions. If you stay in the game long enough, compounding eventually works in your favor. Wealth goes to the person who doesn't blow up. Book number 4, The Richest Man in Babylon. Number 1, pay yourself first or stay broke forever. If you can't save when you earn little, more income won't fix you. Wealth starts from keeping the first portion of every dollar you earn. This habit alone separates the rich from the struggling. Number 2, increase your spending power by increasing your value. Money flows to people who improve their skills and solve bigger problems. Your income is a mirror of your capability. Upgrade the skill, upgrade the income. Number 3, avoid stupidity before chasing returns. Bad deals, bad advice, and emotional decisions destroy wealth faster than anything else. Seek wisdom before risking money. Caution is more profitable than boldness without knowledge. Book number 5, Atomic Habits. Number 1, tiny improvements compound into massive results. A 1% improvement daily becomes 37 times better in a year. A 1% decline daily becomes almost 0 in a year. Your habits quietly shape your future. Number 2, systems beat goals every time. Goals create moments, systems create trajectories. If you don't fix a process, the result will never stick. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Number 3, identity drives behavior. The fastest way to change your life is to change your self-image. Each small action is a vote for the type of person you're becoming. When you shift identity, habits follow automatically. Book number 6, Deep Work. Deep focus creates rare high-value skills. Intense concentration is now a superpower because almost nobody can do it. The world rewards those who can work deeply, while others drown in distractions. Mastering focus is mastering earning power. Number 2, shallow work destroys your ability to think. Constant multitasking trains your brain to be scattered. If you don't protect your attention, you will lose the ability to do meaningful work. Your value drops when your concentration drops. Number 3, deep work requires rules, rituals, and boundaries. You must design your environment and schedule to eliminate distractions. Focus is a skill built through deliberate practice, not motivation. Once trained, it becomes your unfair advantage. Book number 7, The 4-Hour Workweek. Number 1, effectiveness beats effort. Most people are drowning in tasks that don't matter. The 80-20 rule exposes the few actions that produce most of the results. If you cut the noise, life multiplies. Number 2, validate before you build. Don't spend months creating something nobody wants. Test demand first, get real customers, then build. Validation saves years of wasted effort. Number 3, freedom comes from removing yourself from operations. Automation, delegation, and systems that separate income from hours. You don't get rich by doing more. You get rich by doing less of the wrong things. When your business runs without you, life opens up. Book number 8, Your Money or Your Life. Number 1, money equals life energy. Every purchase is hours of your life you'll never get back. When you see money this way, impulsive spending disappears, and you start buying only what aligns with your values. Number 2, find your point of enough. More money doesn't equal more happiness past a certain point. Once you define enough, you escape the treadmill of endless wanting. Life becomes intentional instead of reactive. Number 3, track spending to regain control of your life. When you measure where your money goes, you expose what doesn't align with your values. Cutting what drains you increases both savings and fulfillment. Awareness is the beginning of freedom. Book 9, The Simple Path to Wealth. Number 1, wealth is freedom, not luxury. If your lifestyle grows as fast as your income, you stay trapped. Spending less than you earn is the foundation of financial freedom. Freedom is the real flex. Number 2, debt kills your wealth. Debt steals future income and keeps you working for others. Eliminate it fast. Avoid it aggressively. You can't build wealth while dragging chains. Number 3, index funds make wealth almost inevitable. Low-cost, diversified index funds outperform almost every investor over time. Your job is to invest consistently and stay in the market. Simplicity wins. Book number 10, Poor Charlie's Almanack. Number 1, multidisciplinary thinking wins. Charlie Munger studies psychology, math, biology, history, physics, then combines them. When you see problems from multiple lenses, your decisions become radically better. One perspective, fragile. Many perspective, unbeatable. Number 2, avoiding stupidity is more profitable than chasing brilliance. Most financial disasters come from basic human biases and emotional mistakes. Removing blind spots make you smarter immediately. Winning is often just not losing. Number 3, buy wonderful companies and hold them for decades. Charlie Munger looks for durable businesses with strong economic moats, then stays patient. Long-term compounding beats short-term trading every time. Wealth goes to the disciplined, not the hyperactive. If you read these 10 books, your financial mindset will shift. You will think differently, act differently, and build wealth in ways your past self wouldn't believe.